That is dope.
Yeah, it's got the vortex generators.
Yeah. It's actually real, not fake.
Yes.
Not no eBay fucking slap-on bullshit.
It's supposed to be bigger too.
Is it bigger?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot bigger, like wider here.
Yeah. It's kind of like the AP2 wheel or wings.
Yeah. Here's the part number for you guys in case you want to order it. Damn, dude, this carbon's sick.
I like it, dude. And then just gotta wait for the other black stuff that's real chunky.
So there are 3 bolts on each side on the plates. You don't have to remove the actual structure to it. It literally just is the plate that comes off. 3 bolts on this side. And 3 bolts on that side. Yes, sir.
He was like, he was gonna wrap the car the same color as that. I was like, go ahead, I'm taking mine off.
What are you torquing to? 8? Think it's gonna stay with all the G-force, bro? With all the downforce I'm gonna put down? Yeah, but they're high rise.
Okay.
And they're black. That's what I was thinking, like use these for like summertime.
Yeah, yeah.
And then keep the other ones like just for shows or something, you know?
Yeah, yeah. The red one?
But they're high rise, so they'll keep that red carpet clean, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
Is that the driver?
Because I was like, I'm pretty sure you wanted the...
It's already getting dirty, man.
Yeah, it's alright. Put it on another car anyways.
You think the detail guy is gonna be able to clean out the inside too?
Yeah, they do it all. They go
Okay.
from inside out, so... I want to take that car seat out.
Okay.
No, actually, that is actually pretty slick.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the high rise part of it is what I liked about it.
It's kind of like the weather tank, but it's carpet.
Yeah. Probably won't stay that clean though. Really?
Yeah.
Is that the first one?
Yeah.
Quick explanation on the accessories, why I chose those. Basically, the dealership didn't have a markup for me to pay, but I did have to buy accessories. And basically, it was kind of a no-brainer for me. I don't really care for the roof boxes or anything like that. So I needed to get something that was actually going to be useful for the car, that I would actually use in the future, or maybe I could even sell in the future. But so I decided to go for the forged wheels. They're lighter. They're almost 6 pounds lighter than the stock wheel each. So I mean, that's almost 24 pounds right there. Probably like 22. And then the carbon fiber wing. I mean, it's really neat. It's really cool. It's got a little red inlay in it, so it stands out. Kind of blends with the red of the Type R stuff. And it's more aggressive. And then the floor mats. I did the high-rise Type R floor mats. They were trying to get me the Civic, like the regular Civic all-weather mats. And I'm cool with all-weather mat stuff, but it wasn't a high-rise all-weather mat, so I wasn't really a fan of that. So I decided to go for the high-rise carpet mats because they obviously will protect the red carpet, and it'll also look cool because it's black. But I just wanted to give you guys that explanation. Thank you for watching. I love the response I've been getting from you guys about me being back in the game. I mean, I've kind of still been in the game with my RX-7, with the S2000. By the way, we hit 9s last year with the S2000.
Good burnout. PFI in the house. Mr. Brett.
We're currently the fastest in the state for S2000s. So that was pretty cool. Like I said, I didn't make a video on that because I was kind of checked out. But there's my pride and joy from Bannerman Speedway. The magazine back here. Yeah, the S2000 was actually in the magazine. Feature as the editor's choice. So that was a huge deal, one of my dreams. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys an explanation on that. I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to bore you guys to death. But thank you for watching. Thank you so much for the love and appreciation I got from you guys. All the love and the kind words about coming back to this, and from the accident that I had. It means the world, so I appreciate you guys a lot. But that'll do it for this video. I have some parts coming in that I'm pretty excited about, so I'll be sharing that with you guys, uninstall and stuff like that. So stay tuned. This is a new era, and it's gonna be an exciting one. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Adios.